eating galbi-tongue. It was something I've been craving for a while. The reason why there's no tip in Korea is because everything is self-serve pretty much. I love gakki. Wow, that gakki is really good. Yes. Why does it taste so bland? At least the gakki is really good. If you know, you know. You always gotta finish your bowl like this. Put it up here. Get every last remaining scoop. Yes. 저는 지금 롯데 백화점에 가는 길이에요. 가는 거예요. 왜냐면 제가 also I've been loving these shoes. 이 새로운 신발 사는 거 새 신발을 너무 좋아요. And I want to go get another New Balance one. I also just love like the suede on it. Bye. 쓰레기. 저는 지금 롯데 백화점에 갈 거예요. 왜냐면 필요한 걸 휴대폰 차징 코드가 고장 났어요. 그리고 헤드폰가 고장 났어요. 그래서 둘 다 필요하고 옷도 살게요. But anyways, this is the fit. Very, very ugly. I also realized I bought like a really bad one because the zipper does not really close all the way. I went to Daiso because I needed one thing. I left with, obviously, because it's Daiso, I left with like 6 other things because the one thing I went there for, I don't even understand. Literally looked it up and everything. USB, like C cord, what is the iPhone C to 8? I spent so long looking at things. And it's on the picture too.
Bruh, stupid.
It's literally on the picture, Janay. I saw the one that said C to 8, right? And my stupidity honestly shocks me a lot of the time. So I don't need this. But I already ripped the box like this. Oh. At least it's like less than $2 at least, but the one thing I needed. I hate myself. I really hate myself. I hate myself so much. I hate myself so much. 어쨌든 헤드폰 샀어요. 제가 직원한테 쇼핑할 때 직원한테 계속 얘기할 때 아직도 좀 어색하는데 매일매일 좀 I'm getting better. 잘하고 있어요. The reason why I got Bose instead of the Sony headphones 가격이 너무 좋대. 너무 좋았어요. And I kind of like how wide this is because I feel like it's not gonna squish my ears. And honestly, I don't like the design too much. 사실은 이 디자인가 좀 마음에 안 드는데 근데 사실은 I kind of like that it's different. She's unique or whatever. I was like looking at the mirrors and I was like, you know what? I don't really see other people going around with these. 그리고 가격이 너무 좋아서 I bought it. Now that I look at it more, it's growing on me. Here we are, GyeongBokGung. My friend Hannah. Hello. On a field trip and I hate my hair, but so the food is right here, but then you have to get the drinks in here. It took me so long to find it. Wow. Got their sogumpang, lime basil, and then a chocolate. Let's try their sogumpang. This one is not as soft as the other one that I really like, but I like their flavor more. But it's just not like chewy. The other one was so chewy. This one you can taste the salt a little bit more though. So this one is like a black tea chocolate. I don't know what that means, but it was just interesting. Oh my gosh, that is so good. Oh my gosh. I also got a vanilla latte today instead of my regular Americano because they did have oat milk here and I was like, I'll switch it up. That chocolate is so good. This is a lime, like a lime basil. Let's try it. Lime basil, tart. It tastes like a key lime pie. My drink's are ready. The cup itself is just so cute, and I really like their ice. It's like a slushy type of ice rather than ice cubes. Bro, that's good. I kind of wish oh my gosh, that's so good. I also haven't just had like a vanilla latte and like I can't remember the last time I ordered one because I always go for my Americano. But now, let's get 설렁탕. 설렁탕. 감사합니다. 맛있게 드세요. This kimchi is so good.